Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today we're going to do some maintenance on the STIHL MS-180C. I'm sure everybody's had it, where you go to start it and you can hear like a hissing sound, almost like there's a vacuum, like there's air leaking out somewhere, and you can't get it to start no matter how many times you pull it, and you can hear the little psss. So I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to show you there's a little rubber valve, bleeder valve. It's happening to me. It's hard to get it to start. I got compression and I got spark, but we're gonna go through. I'm gonna show you spark, compression, and we're gonna clean it up too. I've been beating it up pretty bad lately. But to get started, STIHL always gives you this for the socket, and it comes with the star, the proper star. For the screws, which we're gonna take stuff apart, I always suggest a pair of needle nose because you're gonna need that to take out the little plastic piece that holds the caps inside. Got a little flathead screwdriver, helps out, and then obviously you're gonna need some air. So I got the air compressor filled up, and we're gonna do some cleaning with it. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the cover off, take the bar off, so that we don't have to deal with an extra object. So first we'll take the cover off. Cover doesn't look too bad. Just trying to clean it out a little bit. Put that off to the side. Take the chain off, take the bar off. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, but we'll go through it, we'll clean it up. We got plenty of stuff here to do. Just gonna wipe the bar down super fast. Just wipe the grooves. Just wipe this all down. Make sure the oiler area is clean. That's important. You want to make sure that the oiler is clean. Last thing you want to do is have an issue where it's not oiling. Because all you're going to do is smoke the chain, causing it to overheat, etc. Also curious, anybody use a bigger set of dogs on there? I mean, these are the original ones that came when I bought the saw. I'm thinking about putting some bigger ones on. I feel like sometimes when I go to use it, the dogs are too small and they kind of hit the brake on the wood and stuff. I'm just wondering if anybody else has the same problem or runs into that. Curious. Drop me a comment. Let me know. Turn the counter off real quick. I know people are always complaining, man, you're always trying to clean up. That's all you do is clean up. It's important. I don't like having a mess. That's how you lose stuff and you ruin stuff, and it's always good to have a good clean surface. So real quickly, I use just a screwdriver flathead. All you gotta do is just twist that. In order to take the cover off, you gotta put a choke on full, and then this just lifts off. Otherwise, if you don't, it won't. Well, you can take the cover off, I guess, but so I take that off. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on getting these screws off. So we're going to take the brake handle kind of off. And I know it's doing it by hand, but you know what? Makes it easier using the tool. There's 4 screws total. And then there's one down here in the by the oil. Okay. We're going to take the filter off. We'll hit this real quick. Cover up the carb, hit that. Okay, so we're going to take the spark plug out. We're going to check it to see if it's in good shape. 1, 2, we're also going to check to see if we have spark. That's important. I don't know if you can see that or not, but looks okay. Let's just check to make sure that we have spark. So we'll lean it right on there. See sparks. All right, so we have spark, which is a good thing. All right, so we'll leave the spark plug out. Now it comes down to, like I was saying, you take the cap off. This is where a pair of needle nose comes into play. Got your needle nose. Make sure your needle nose are clean, because you're going to reach inside there and you're going to grab the plastic and pull it up out on an angle. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get the cap out. Same thing over here. You just reach in, grab it. I leave them upside down so that this way no dirt. Don't confuse them either, because you don't want to mix them up and then get oil in your gas. You know, the bar oil. So now that you have this, pop this off. Okay. Which we'll clean this. Oh yeah, we're gonna clean that. I don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna clean that. So right off the jump, put your caps back on, because I still have fuel and oil in there. I'm just gonna wipe this clean. I know we're still gonna clean everything, but I'm just gonna give it a quick clean of it. Put that back in. It goes in sideways, drops in, close that up. Same thing, put it in sideways. And you can already hear, actually my valve is coming out. I don't know if you can hear that. Huh, that's easy. That's what I was worried about, was that particular valve, that little rubber valve. So inside here there must be a piece of dirt that's holding it. So all I'm going to do is take and put some air through it. Just want to make sure that it's definitely opening up. Yep, it's opening up. I don't know if you can see that, just to blow it clean. All right. Now it's just a matter of getting it back in. Normally these things are a pain in the butt. I'm actually going to put it on its side, so to speak, and try to get this in and see if I can maybe even grab it from the inside, but let's see if I can get it. All right, there we go. Let's just let it sit for a minute or two. I want to see if I hear any air leak out of it. But at the same token, I want to clean this up, so to speak. I mean, this is pretty bad. And we'll just take the air. I just want to touch it and kind of break it up. I mean, what happens is over the time, you know, you get oil in here, you get the bar oil spills out, etc., etc., and we've all been there. I just want to kind of hit it quick, and then I'm going to put the air compressor on it to kind of blow it all free. My rag over the top so that I don't get air down into the carburetor. All right, so this bad boy, we got to clean this up. This is pretty bad. You know what? I'm going to take the screws out because I don't want to lose them. Go right in the trash can with all that. Okay, give it one good wipe down, so to speak. It's a hell of a lot cleaner than what it was. Alright, so it's time to put everything back together. Spark plug is back on. Okay, so you gotta take the gas caps off again. So again, I'll make sure this is clean. Reach in there, grab it, and do the same thing with the oil. Okay. Now you just gotta put this on, slide it over. Okay, that's lining up, that lines up, the brake lines up, everything lines up. Okay, so now it's just a matter of putting the screws back. Don't forget, the other ones are machine screws. This is a plastic screw, goes up top with the brake. Let's get these back in there and on, so I don't spill anything. This one particular machine screw, it's really dirty. It's because this goes right next to where the oil fill is. So if you ever overfill it or spill it, or if you're like me and you can't see too well with glasses and you spill it, you get a ton of oil down in there on top of it, so it gets dirty quick. But just a matter of going through the motions. Don't forget to start backwards before you start tightening so that you don't strip it. Alright, so you don't want to go too tight, but you definitely want them tight. Just trying to get that last little bit of dirt out. We got our air filter, which we should probably get a new one. Then this goes on. Don't forget, obviously I got the choke down all the way. It's the only way to get it. It hooks in. If you can see, it hooks in here. You can release it. Oop, wrong one. And then it locks it on. So at least we're all set. I don't see any fluids leaking, because this was leaking a little bit of gas, which led me to think that little valve was an issue. So here, let's see if we can. So you can tell the oiler's working as I'm making a mess in my garage. But the oiler's working, which is great. And I don't hear that hissing sound anymore. Like I'm losing pressure with the fuel to get it in there. So, all right, guys. Well, that's it for right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. It's free to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my website, hardworkfeelsgood.com. But other than that, guys, don't forget, this just saved me probably at least 150, maybe 200 bucks. I mean, the little rubber valve, you can get a new one for probably $1. But by the time you pay a small engine shop to go through the motions of tearing that down, cleaning, and then put it back together, I mean, it's not perfect. But that's easily a good hour, 2 hours of labor. You figure that's 150 bucks. So definitely save yourself some money. All right, well, until next time, guys, don't forget, hard work feels good. Give it a try. See ya.